Ever felt the pain of trying to share that epic vacation video, only to be told it's too big to send? Don't let size restrictions kill your vibe. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to sending large videos from your iPhone, ensuring your masterpieces always reach their audience. Crystal clear and hassle-free. First up, iCloud. iCloud is your iPhone's built-in superpower. In your Photos app, select the video you want to share, tap the share icon, and then choose Copy iCloud Link. This creates a web link you can paste into a text, email, or any messaging app. The recipient simply clicks the link to view or download the full-quality video, and it works on any device. Next, let's explore Mail Drop, a hidden gem for email users. Compose a new email, tap where you would normally insert a photo or video, and select your large video. If it's over the size limit, Mail Drop will automatically kick in. A message will appear saying your video will be sent using Mail Drop. Just send your email, and your recipient will receive a link to download the video. Lastly, if you are still struggling, there are third-party apps such as WeTransfer or Dropbox. These apps allow you to upload large files and share a download link with anyone. Simply upload your video to the service, and then share the generated link via text, email, or any messaging app. It's that simple. So, there you have it. Multiple ways to conquer those pesky video size limits. Now go forth and share your amazing videos with the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.